Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sato Lesetla, and I'm the co-founder of Agricode. And what is Agricode, right? At the start of the year, my friends and I realized that farmers are faced with quite a few challenges, right? Mainly these challenges being climate change, access to data and intelligence available, and inability to remain sustainable in the growing food crisis, as millions of poor South Africans cannot afford food. And another problem that we saw was that there's quite a huge amounts of food wastage in South Africa. And we wanted to focus on the food wastage issue where we wanted to offer a marketplace where farmers are actually going to be able to sell their fresh produce. And this is the platform that you're currently seeing here, Agrimarket. And how it works in a nutshell is that you'd find it's a business B2B commerce, right? Meaning businesses are dealing with other businesses or businesses are buying from other businesses, right? And for this demo, let's say we're logging into the system as Pick and Pay, right? And I'm one of the sales representatives as Pick and Pay. So I'll just quickly log in here using the credentials and then just sign in into the marketplace. Let's give it a couple of seconds, right? And I'll be welcome to this marketplace page. We'll be able to see all the produce that is available for sale, right? And what I can quickly do is I can place an order for any amounts that I want. So we're just going to place a quick order for 1,000 bananas as Pick and Pay, right? And then just click on that. And one of the processes that we saw that businesses do is that you also want to be able to bid in for certain products that you're buying. So if you don't want to purchase at that amount but a bit lower, that option will be available for you here. And you can just quickly click on your bid price and set your bid price to be at 20,000 and quickly submit it. And what will this do is that it will submit the price to the farmer and also the bid amount. And I'm just going to take you through that process as soon as we get to that, right? And this is the part where we just add in our billing information. So I'm just going to select my details and then just quickly add my numbers and just say shipping, yes, and then just quickly click on submit, right? And as Pick and Pay, I'll be able to see the list of orders that I've done. And then I'll also have the option to actually schedule orders. So let's say the order that I just placed right now, I want it to be an order that occurs each and every month. I'm going to have the possibility to click on schedule. And here I'm going to see the list of orders that I've scheduled and then also remove one. Okay, so let's just quickly remove this one. And then based on the order that we just placed, I'm going to be able to schedule more dates for orders that are recurring, and this can be done in this schedule manager. So now, just for us to quickly jump into the part of a farm, I'm just going to quickly log out and then just quickly log in again. Okay, I'm just going to use one of the farmers info at inyama2.co.za and then add one. And when you're logging in as a farmer, you're going to have a different interface from how a normal sales representative sees. So as a farmer on your end, you won't be able to actually just land on the fresh produce, but you'll land into a management portal that will actually show you the list of orders that you have. You can keep track of your harvest and do record taking from the application. But our main focus is on the Agrimarket, which gives us the functionality to actually see how much you've made and how much you're actually selling on the platform. And what we're going to just quickly jump into is how to actually procure an order that's placed by a business. So this is just your earnings and then a quick overview of how many products were sold and how much you've made from new customers. And just to quickly jump into the order management part, if you click on orders, you're going to have the ability to see the list of orders that you've approved and you currently that are currently being procured. And if you can see, this is the recent order that was made for bananas on the 1st of November. And you can see that the order can still be approved, and this is one of the order that has been approved recently. So what we want to do as a farmer is that the moment on Agrimarket we see that there's orders that are available for us and we have produce, we want to approve those orders so that it can be collected from you as a farmer. So I'm just going to click on approve, and then it's just going to ask me if I want that order to be approved, and it will be collected by suppliers. And then I'm just going to click on yes, and as soon as you click on yes, it's just going to give you the steps now of how the order is going to be fulfilled. So the first step was that order was placed by the buyer. So buyer placed an order for fresh produce, and then now order approved for processing, meaning you as a farmer, you've approved the order for processing. And yes, so the next step now is for our logistics partner to come and collect and deliver to the customer. Thank you all.